Many people who use wheelchairs have query about how to travel by plane. After all, it can be intimidating, especially because these wheelchairs are the most important part of our daily lives. Let us tell you the 5 tips to travel with wheelchair. 1. Talk to the airline and TSA Cares passenger support. As soon as you book your flight, it's a good idea to check out TSA Cares, the Transportation Security Administration's passenger support program. TSA Cares is there to assist disabled passengers traveling with a wheelchair or medical supplies. They'll be able to help you with any questions or issues with getting through the security lines. Reach out to the Disability Service Division of your airline. If they don't have a designated department, then their Customer Service Department should be able to help you. They may ask questions about your chair, including its size and weight, so they know how best to stow it away during your flight. After you have spoken to them, they should have noted in their system that you will need assistance. Please note, this service should be at no additional cost. You won't be charged for stowing your wheelchair. 2. Pack enough catheters or other daily medical supplies you may use. Pack enough of your daily supplies to last you throughout the trip. Plus, bring along more supplies for an extra few days in case of delays. Bring a backup supply in your carry-on, just in case your checked baggage is damaged or lost. Check 180 Medical's travel blog posts for all the content related to traveling with your supplies. With these posts, you'll get helpful step-by-step tips that can help you feel more confident about flying with your catheter supplies. Traveling with your catheters or other medical supplies can be a breeze with helpful tips from 180 Medical and a little preparation. 3. Know your rights as a disabled traveler. As a disabled passenger traveling with a wheelchair, it's important to know your rights. For starters, check out the U.S. Department of Transportation's Aviation Consumer Protection for those traveling with a disability, as well as information about the Air Carrier Act ACAA, a law protecting disabled passengers traveling with adaptive equipment. 4. Make an emergency repair kit. It's a good idea to make a little kit for any repairs that may need to be made to your wheelchair during your travels. A couple of things I suggest having in your kit would include 1. Duct tape. 2. Bubble wrap to protect your chair during the flight. 3. Allen wrenches to fit the screws on your wheelchair. 4. Replacement screws. 5. The user's manual to your wheelchair. When your wheelchair is given to the crew, attach the manual to the chair. Plan to carry the rest of your kit with you on your flight. 5. Prepare your wheelchair for your flight. If you've ever had a manual wheelchair, you know it's pretty easy to prepare because you can take off the wheels and fold it. However, a power wheelchair requires a little more attention because it has so many components necessary to make it function properly. Ideally, you could schedule an appointment for the Adaptive Technology Technician (ATP) from your wheelchair mobility company to come to your home and prepare your wheelchair for travel. Here are the main steps to know about preparing your power wheelchair for traveling by plane. 1. Turn off the control panel from the main switch, typically at the back of the wheelchair. 2. Switch the brakes off, so your chair becomes manual and can be pushed. 3. Recline the back of your wheelchair all the way down to ensure it will fit in the cargo space. 4. For an extra safety measure, pull the joystick control panel inwards. This final state is how you will hand your wheelchair over before the flight crew helps you into the airplane. This knowledge will help you better in understanding what you can do next time to prepare for a flight.